In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Apple Notes to your Claude account so you can view, pull from, and edit your Apple Notes. So what you want to do is open up Claude, make sure you're running the most recent version, go up and click on Claude. If you're on a Mac or if you're on a PC, go to these settings and then go to check for updates just to make sure you're running the latest version of Claude. Once you're here, I want you to go to the settings, go to Claude and then go to settings once more. And then once under settings, go down to where you see customize and go to connectors right here. Under connectors in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see something that says add. Click that drop-down menu and then go to browse connectors. Once you've done this, go ahead and go to the search bar here and just type the word notes in here. The one you want is the one that says read and write Apple Notes. This gives Claude the ability to read, write, and manage notes within Apple Notes. Click the addition symbol here and then click install in the upper right-hand corner. Go ahead and click install one more time. It'll install that connector. Make sure that it is enabled and ticked over to the right. Now, with this, you will be able to do a number of things. If we go to configure, you can see that right here, you can list notes, get note content, add a note, update note content, all right here. And if you want to, you can make changes by going to the specific things that it can do within Apple Notes. And let's say you don't want it to add a note, you can go here and go to needs approval. This means when you're requesting something within Claude, it'll pop up a box that says allow or always allow, and that's what that means there. Or you can just choose the blocked option here, but I'm gonna allow everything right here, make sure it's enabled, and I'm good to go. I can go to either co-work or a normal chat within Claude, and then say something like, show me my recent notes in Apple Notes, hit enter. You can see it's using the read and write Apple Notes here. You can see this shows you my recent Apple Notes here. Do you want me to pull the content of any of these? And then you can start having conversations within Claude in regards to Apple Notes. This works within both co-work and the normal chat within Claude. If you have any questions, I'll put some frequently asked questions in a pinned comment down below. Hopefully this was helpful and we'll see you guys in the next video.